Today, we examine a selection of the latest significant news from the world of artificial intelligence, covering revolutionary video and voice generation technologies and new possibilities in content creation. Kuaishou Technology has introduced Kling 2.1, a new generation of AI video generation model. This model creates 1080p quality content with realistic movements and effects, offering fast rendering and a competitive price. Kling 2.1 is capable of creating commercials, short videos, and even scenes for movies, and is already integrated into Kuaishou platforms. Some users are calling it a Google VO killer due to its flexibility and high quality. In a notable development, a research entity or company referred to in source as Intelo AI announced that its AI named Zochi independently created and published a scientific article accepted into the ACL 2025 program, likely a conference or journal. Zochi reportedly completed the entire research cycle, from literature analysis to testing new methods, receiving high marks from reviewers. This development suggests AI's growing readiness to contribute to the scientific arena.
DeepSeek has released an update for its AI model that significantly improves its logic, coding, and complex problem-solving capabilities. The model demonstrates deeper reasoning, improved readability, and accuracy, can work for up to 60 minutes on a task, and remains open source and accessible to developers. Despite potential risks associated with open models, such as leaks or misuse, this update solidifies DeepSeek's position as a leader among open source AI, offering powerful tools at a notably lower price than many competitors.
Perplexity AI has launched Perplexity Labs, an innovative tool for creating complex content. Labs allows users to generate analytical reports, dashboards, tables, and simple web applications with a single query. The tool integrates search, code, and diagramming capabilities, enabling automation of complex tasks without programming, thereby saving users time and resources. Hume AI has launched EV3, a new voice interaction model with AI, which allows for the creation of any voice and speaking style in real time. Hume AI claims EV3 outperforms OpenAI's voice capabilities in emotional sensitivity, flexibility, and expressiveness. The model recognizes emotions, adapts to the user's tone, supports dynamic voice settings, and has a latency of only 300 milliseconds, making it suitable for voice assistants, contact centers, and educational projects. Resemble AI has introduced Chatterbox, an open-source model for voice cloning and text-to-speech generation that, according to the company, surpasses 11 labs in naturalness and expressiveness. This model allows users to create realistic voices from just 5 to 10 seconds of reference audio, control the emotionality of the voice, and work even on average hardware. Chatterbox has received positive reviews for its speed, ease of integration, and open-source availability, making it ideal for podcasts, presentations, videos, and games. Monica, the developer of Manus AI, has launched Manus Slides, a tool for autonomously creating presentations with query. Manus Slides enables the creation of slides for business, education, or creative projects, complete with text, diagrams, images, and research, and integrates with other tools. Users have noted its high quality and ease of generation when comparing it with paid alternatives. Black Forest Labs has introduced Flux 1 Context, an innovative series of models for generating and editing images based on text and visual instructions. This system reportedly works up to 8 times faster than competitors, provides high-quality preservation of style and object details, and allows users to change backgrounds, colors, or elements in an image. Flux 1 Context is already being used by designers and companies for quickly creating branded materials. Tencent, through its Hunyan project and in collaboration with Tencent Music, presented Hunyan Video Avatar, a model that allows users to create a video with sound based on just one image. The model automatically analyzes audio to create realistic lip movements, facial expressions, and gestures. Hunyan Video Avatar is positioned as ideal for creating digital influencers, short videos, and commercials, though its mass market potential is still developing.
Elon Musk's xAI company has reportedly agreed to a $300 million deal with Telegram to integrate the Grok chatbot, which will gain access to the platform's over 1 billion users. The year-long deal, set to start this summer, provides for Telegram to receive 50% of revenue from Grok subscriptions made via its platform. Grok is expected to offer tools for business, content moderation, and interactive communication. While the agreement details are being finalized, some users have expressed concerns about privacy. Telegram views the cooperation with xAI as an opportunity for new monetization streams and to strengthen its competitiveness. Opera has presented Opera Neon, described as the world's first agent browser with built-in AI. It is capable of autonomously performing tasks ranging from booking tickets to creating code and games. Neon is designed to work both online and offline, with local secure data processing even when the device is off. Access is currently planned via subscription and invitation. The browser promises a new way of interacting with the internet, but will need to demonstrate user trust and stability. The company OSy, or a similar emerging tech entity, presented a demo of an interactive video where users can explore generated virtual worlds in real time using keyboard shortcuts, much like in a game. The technology generates video on the fly, creating the effect of smooth navigation without relying on traditional game engines. While the demo has limitations, OSy promises improvements, including increased photorealism, stability, and interoperability. This technology, potentially powered by data from proprietary 360-degree cameras, could impact the entertainment, training, and simulator industries, laying groundwork for future real-world simulators. Netflix co-founder Reed Hastings has joined Anthropic's board of directors. His role will be to help the company balance growth with ethics and public interest. This appointment was facilitated by Anthropic's Long-Term Benefit Trust, an independent management body, and occurs amidst significant investments in Anthropic from Amazon and Google. Hastings brings extensive experience in managing large technology companies, and his involvement is seen as a step towards increased transparency and accountability in Anthropic's governance. OpenAI has launched a forum for developers wishing to integrate login with ChatGPT into their applications. This will allow users to use their ChatGPT account for authentication, similar to existing options from Google or Apple. The initiative aims to expand the OpenAI ecosystem, driving demand among startups and large platforms, and also offers bonuses for testing its use in CLI tools or code-related applications. This move strengthens ChatGPT's presence in digital services, but also brings data security and privacy to the forefront. Chinese scientists have created an artificial intelligence model named FLAIR to predict stellar flares, allowing for a better understanding of stellar activity's impact on exoplanets. FLAIR analyzes the light curves of stars to predict magnetic emissions, assess the stability of atmospheres, and determine the potential habitability of planets. This innovation enhances astronomical research and the search for habitable worlds by expanding analysis capabilities using data from missions such as NASA's TESS. Anthropic's CEO, Dario Amodei, has issued a warning about the threat of artificial intelligence to the labor market.
A couple of years ago, you could say that AI models were maybe as good as a smart high school student. I would say that now they're as good as a smart college student and sort of reaching past that. I really worry, particularly at the entry level, that the AI models are very much at the center of what an entry level human worker would do. And so it's hard to estimate, exactly what the impact would be. And there's always this question of adaptation. And these technology changes have happened before, but I think what is striking to me about this AI boom is that it's bigger and it's broader and it's moving faster than anything has before. And so compared to previous technology changes, I'm a little bit more worried about the labor impact simply because it's happening so fast that yes, people will adapt, but they may not adapt fast enough. And so there may be an adjustment period.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. To not miss the next news, subscribe to the channel. Bye.